Number one, trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post truck, man a pushing at the traffic. Welcome back to the Dancehall IG channel. Hope everyone is doing good out there. Hope everybody had a productive day today and tomorrow will be even more productive, right? So people, yesterday Govana posted this small clip on his Instagram, right? And it looked like a new music video. You know, say Govana music video, them different, you know what I mean? I be a vibes in them and it tune them when I drop with them bad also. So I'm going to show you the little clip. I have two pieces of clip. I drop one yesterday and him drop one today. So this is the piece that him drop yesterday. Right?
Govy. Yeah, welcome back to the Govy Show. I'm your host, Govy, the girls them naughty body. And this is a show that all girls matter, even if your ears is better, you know?
Yes, so when you see that, when you see the settings is like some talk show kind of settings. We don't know exactly what him do yet because him not tell we name of the song, nothing at all. But today him post another piece and him say if him get 3,500 comments, right, him a go drop it. So maybe you watch this video after the tune drop and you already know about this. Or maybe if you catch it before that, you can go over Govana page and you know what I mean, help to build up that 35 comments there so him can drop the tune. You see what I say? So let's look at the other piece. Here goes.
Yeah, welcome back to the Govy Show. I'm your host, Govy, the girls them naughty body. And this is a show that all girls matter, even if your ears is better, you know? And today we have a special couple from out of Spanish Town, Jamaica. Okay, we're going to hear what's going on with the household at the moment. Lovely young lady.
Ecstasy.
And your name? You're not Chris?
No, Nick.
Okay, all right. So what's going on in the household? What is the problem today?
Well, Govy, you know, say my man and him not take care of me. And my husband, I married him for 5 years. Him not do nothing for me. Bridget have sale him leave, go buy a slippers, give me nothing at all.
Wow.
So yeah, people, may I think that him a go stick to the same kind of tune them, you know what I mean? Cause you hear me ask the brother if you know, if I am named Chris. So I kind of girl clown kind of thing them. I feel like I see him thing him a deal with. You see me? So big up Govy, we are look out for that video there. You see me? Now people, let's talk about Spice. So we know say yesterday dancing Rebel mother passed away, right? And Spice reached out. But today Spice was on her live and you know Spice I talk about it also. And Spice I said she lose her father at 9. So she know how it feel to lose a parent, right? So I have a video with Spice for sure no. So here goes.
So I really never know that. Say pineapple make it all smell good. Yeah. Shout out to my dancing rebel. She lost her mom. And trust me, I lost my father when I was only 9 years old. And if me no know, I think everybody knows that losing a mother is the hardest thing. So, big up my dancer. I know she got through a difficult time right now, but my prayers is with her. And I'm going to try my best to be there for her every step of the way, every teardrops. Happy Sunday, guys. Hope you guys having a happy Sunday. I want to send for come on live more often, so I'm just trying my best to see if I can go live as often as I can. Just did feel like for soon. I never have nothing much to talk about. I just did feel like for soon. I can't just feel like for soon. I just did feel like for soon. I reach home, I'm going to eat my Sunday dinner. So, I have to go finish up with it right there. So, love you guys. What's up, baby?
Yes, people, so now hear what the queen has said, right? And she said, Rebel, I got through some tough time as expected. So, you know, once again, my condolences goes out to Rebel and her family. Hopefully, you know what I mean, she feel better sometime soon, even though we know the nature of the situation, right? So we know Sana does easy get over like that. So, you know, we just keep in our prayers, sister. and just go and hold up your head and try to just be your best you right now, the best version of you for pull through this, you know what I mean? We know it's tough, but you know what I mean, better times are go forward. You see me? So big up yourself. Now in the next video I want to show on people is a TikTok video zine. This artist named Professor Mars and him do a duo with another person on TikTok. It look like the other youth host the TikTok and him say him I go post the best freestyle them when match up to his. And him a rap cause you know this is a Caucasian youth and Professor Mars is a Jamaican. So me see it on the gram, I think it tough and me I show it to you. So here goes.
So everybody's been doing this rap back and forth trend on TikTok, and I wanted to do one myself. So duet me, rap back and forth with me, and I'll repost the best ones on my account.
Professor Mars.
Yeah. I ain't wanna spaz on the track, but I slice with the rap, so they have to react on the rap and get back for the whack. No track, don't diss on that kid, you might get what you ask.
Can't this year we get what you ask for. Hurricane me cause a disaster. Low me make me prosper. Oh, if you bad mind the talent me get from the master.
It's funny they bumping my tracks, but tell me give up and quit rap. Just tell me what's that. Y'all are too fake and that's facts. I turn around and y'all gonna go aim in my back.
Boy, them bad mind to them blame on the track. Disgracefully walk. Can't blame me for that. Man, I cut and go through and I blaze up the track. I know my fault, make you can't aim for the top.
Okay. Homie, you been late. I've been just chilling and getting my head
Them
straight.
soft, like when a bird break. Lyrics on my fire, make all your head bake. Yeah.
John, I'm out with the flow. White boy down south, bow out of the show.
Jamaica hot, but me cold like when the snow. Lyrics them I kick hard just like many toe. Business me deal with them, me bro. Don't make me have to call and ask what me do. Yo, where him gone? Where did he go?
Them tough people, me not lie. You see what me I say, especially how Professor Mars deal with it. Cause remember say the next youth part pre-recorded, you know. So Professor Mars have to just fit in it and just cause a boom and I work with everything where he must sip on the video and I ear on the video. You see what I say? So that takes a lot of talent and it definitely shows that Professor Mars have some talent. You see what I say? When you can go over Instagram and you can follow the youth at Professor Mars. You see what I say? So yeah man, big up the two of them. You see me, two of them bad. Now people, tomorrow, you know what I mean, I never really want to put another video here, but me I go tell you in a said way. Tomorrow, Romi's son's birthday, his official birthday. Now, yesterday, I talk about it, and them a spend the weekend together. You know, Romi should do a bunch of posting right now. A crazy thing them a go on with, you know what I mean? Them go all about him, get him ears pierced, and all these things, and Romi out there with him. So, tomorrow, you know, say more gifts. So, tomorrow, we'll do a video about that. You know what I mean? We'll see what Romish actually give him. You know, one time, gone, Romish give him, must say, $10,000. I don't remember, or $100,000, something like that. I don't remember. You see me when him pass him exam them. I don't remember exactly how it go, but we know Romi shall give him son a crazy gift tomorrow, so we are going to do it for that. You see me? So people, that brings us to the end of today's video. So if it's your first time on this channel and you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe. If you just subscribe, welcome to the Dancehall IG family. To all my long-time subscribers, thank you for being here. Keep on liking, sharing, and commenting. Right? So thank you everybody for watching. Have a wonderful night or day or whatever time it is, wherever you are. Big up on yourself. I'm out.
We got Diamond in my AP. Dancehall IG. Atina. Excuse me. Dancehall IG. Rich. Punk. Should know. 10 to blacks. Yeah, they.